All right. Thank you. At this point, let's give Maya Diquito Santos. Ma'am, you want to make a statement so that we'll give you time. Okay, please proceed.
The Honorable Chairman and members of the Blue Ribbon Committee, good afternoon. First, I wish to apologize for not being here during the hearing of March 29, 2016. I had wanted to participate in every hearing, not only to air my side, but more importantly, to help this committee in my own humble way to get to the truth of the matter regarding the money of the Bangladeshi people. My health, however, has taken a turn for the worse the past 2 weeks due to the emotional and mental stresses that started since February 9, and which have continued non-stop until now. But I am now here again presenting myself to you, prepared to answer any question truthfully to the best of my recollection, and within the extent allowed by my present legal circumstances. Recently, other resource persons have laid practically all of the blame on me for the alleged money laundering, as if I had the resources at my mid-management level to put all the pieces in place for a crime involving almost 4 billion pesos. Truly, a crime of this magnitude could be possible only with the participation of people from the highest officialdom of the bank, in cahoots with extremely wealthy businessmen whose far-reaching powers and influence span several countries. On hindsight, I have unwittingly allowed myself to be set up as the scapegoat when all I wanted was to advance my career, boost my performance as a bank manager, and together with my husband, help provide for my family. These are legitimate goals of every working mother. If there is a conspiracy, as some honorable senators have publicly stated, I have no knowledge of it. If I had made mistakes, it is this, that I believe and trusted the bank president, Mr. Tan, that I followed him when he said I should take care of his friends, that I relied on the fact that Mr. Tan could not have been unaware of a transaction that has been labeled the biggest bank heist in the history of the world. I am but a pawn in a high-stake chess game played by giants in international banking and high finance. If this committee is looking for the Grand Master, it is not me. The line runs much higher and involves a person with much more clout and authority than a simple bank manager with modest capabilities has. Thank you.
Thank you, Ms. Diquito. Ms. Diquito. Could you submit to the committee your statement, please? Ms. Diquito, Mr. Kim Wong has said that when they opened the accounts, when the accounts were open, I'm talking to the five accounts that were opened, kung saan pumasok yung 81, that they were, Mr. Kim Wong, before, instead of me narrating, pakiulit lang kung ano nangyari yung pagbukas ng account sa Midas.
Kasi po, palagi po niya akong inaano mag-open ng account, mag-prefer ako mga customer. So, kinausap ko po siya. So, sabi ko, may i-refer ako. Pumunta siya sa Midas po. Nandun si Mr. Gao. May kasama siya. Nasa labas po mga kaibigan niya. Nag-usap po kami. Bubukas ang dollar account. Tapos, tatlo po kami. Nakatayo siya. Tapos sabi niya, pag dollar, kailangan cooperation, isang cooperation, kailangan 5 tao para mabuo isang cooperation. So, sabi ni Gao, ganun-ganun sila. Tapos sabi niya, ano ba yun? Tapos sabi ni Gao, parang account ganun. Tapos sabi niya, ako na bahala. Yung sinasabi niya po sa akin. Sino
nagsabi ng ako nang bahala?
Sabi po ni Maya po.
Okay.
Opo. Yung nadinig ko sa testimony na may 5 tao daw pinakilala, tanong niyo po sa kanya kung totoo po hindi.
Ano nangyari pagkatapos niyan, Mr. Kim Wong? After yung sa nag-usap kayo, umalis na si Miss Diquito?
Hindi, sabi ko, hindi pa kayo kumakain eh. Kumain kayo muna sa taas. Ako na bahala. Doon sa Maidas po.
So pinakain mo sila sa taas.
Opo.
Tapos ano nangyari?
Umalis na po ako. Tsaka sigaw.
Umalis ka
Opo.
at saka sigaw.
Opo. Pero naghiwalay din kami sigaw kasi sigaw may prayer that time eh.
Okay.
Kasi may pupuntahan po ako.
Okay. Miss Diquito, you wish to respond?
Sir, as much as I want to, AMLC has already filed a case against me. I hope all of you understand, as much as I want to participate, kaliwat kanan na po ang kaso ko. So, it is limited na lang po yung kaya kong sabihin because everything that I may say might be taken against me.
So therefore, are you invoking?
I'm sorry, yes, Your Honor. I'm invoking my right against self-incrimination.
All right. At any rate, it was covered during the executive session.